Yes,
am
guys.
Mohan and he is Ashok. Our project is to determine the shorts and the opens that created at the power lines, at the different power lines. We are, for example, we have taken the two power lines as a for example.
This is represent the outputs line 1. This represent the line 1 main. This line, this wire represent the line 1 main, and this is for ground, line 1 ground, and this is for line 2 main, and this is for line 2 ground, and these are the represent the outputs.
These 4 and these 2, 6 overall 6 outputs are there.
These represent the what type of fault occur in the power line. These two are for B4 and B3 represent for normal working. B4 represent for normal working of line 1 and B3 represent normal working of line 2 and B2 represent opening of line 1 and B1 represent of opening of line 2, and this is shorting of line 1 and C4 represent the shorting of line 2.
This is the whole list of the outputs.
When we connect the output code,
then it is normal
mode.
It's output represents B1 on and B4 on. That means B1 on, B4 on means normal 1, line 1 is normal and line 2 is open.
This.
That it represents.
Okay.
And now, next
line 2 normal.
Line 2 normal. Okay. Line 2 normal.
Line 2.
Right. When do they sign it?
And now line 1 and line 2 are working normally, so B4 and B3 stop